Okay, folks, look what I got in the mail. Some petcocks. Brand new petcocks and adapters for the Triumph. There's only one issue, and that is when I ordered the adapters, I thought it came with a nut for it, and it doesn't. So, while I can still put the petcocks in, I just can't connect them yet. I just ordered that, so this little nut that goes right here. So now I gotta wait a couple of days for that to come in, but at least I can get the petcocks in and put some gas back into the tank. This looks, yeah, that's the reserve, and that's the primary fuel. On the inside of this little screen, this one has a tube all the way up to here, and this one doesn't have a tube at all, it looks like. So that's, and this one says reserve, so fuel rees. So, but yeah, I'm about to put these on the bike. And that's it. So, alright, there it is. Both the petcocks are in. Like I said, I'm still missing this nut to attach this to the bottom, but other than that, I'm good to go. And once I get that nut, I'll probably shorten this hose up some. Not a lot, but some. And slide that back up on more probably. But there you go, petcocks are in. The tank is full of gas right now and nothing's leaking. I tested both petcocks, they both work fine. So, yep, same situation over here, missing the nut. But both petcocks work fine now. And I'm not leaking gas anymore, finally. So, got that addressed. And yesterday I finished, or this morning, I also finished up doing the turn signals. So let me show you those real quick. So now when I turn the bike on, this is what the front will look like. Okay, turn signals. There you go. And then in the back, turn signal. Let's see if I can turn signal. And let's see if we can't get some brake action going. There's the brake light. You see it came on, and you see the brake light coming on over here, but the turn signal's on over here, so the brake light doesn't come on. It comes on for like a quick second. If you watch, you can kind of catch it, but it still blinks. So brake light on, brake light on. Turn signal's still on, so turn signal off. They both light up red along with the tail light. So I didn't think at first that they were going to match the bike, but just because they're so small, you don't really even notice they're there, you know. So I don't think it takes away from it at all. I think it looks good. And I like having the extra light for braking. That way, and they're brighter. They're much brighter than the incandescent tail bulb and brake light bulb here. So that may get replaced with an LED soon, just to make it brighter. Since everything else is pretty much LED except for, like I said, this light here and the headlight are the only things that are not LED now. Like I said in an earlier video, even my whole dash here is LED. Everything, all these small buttons or all these small lights even, they're all LED. Oh, and I got the horn working. That wasn't working before, so now it's working. But yeah, these lights are, they're great. I like them a lot. So now I have everything working except for the nuts for the petcocks. So I just ordered those. I went in and ordered them. I also ordered new boots for my carbs. These are cracking, and I'm worried that they're probably leaking air or something. So I just went ahead and ordered a new one of those also. Well, I'll replace those when they come in, and that should be the last thing fuel-wise that I need to deal with, or carburetor-wise at all, because it's running fine. I'm worried that that's going to leak eventually if it isn't already. So yeah, that's it. Petcocks are in and ready to go. Tank's full of gas. So it'll be sitting for a couple of days, I guess, till I get these loom nuts in. But that's about it. Hey, baby. So I'll go ahead and let you guys go there.